Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4. The first question is, find the length of the longest chord of a circle whose radius is 7 cm. So here the radius of the circle is given to us and we need to find the length of the longest chord. So first of all, let's try to understand what is a chord of the circle. So let's suppose I have taken 2 points on the circle. The points must be on the circle only. It should not be inside or outside. I have taken 2 points which are on the boundary of the circle. So now let's join the points. This is the line which is formed by joining these 2 points. So this line over here is called a chord. So what is a chord? A chord is a line segment which is formed by joining 2 points on the circle, right? So this line is called a chord. So in our question, we need to find the longest chord. So let's find what is the longest chord. So now let's take any 2 points which is on the circle. This is the first point and I have taken this point as the second point. Let's name is A and B, right? So now what is chord? Chord is any line segment which is formed by joining 2 points on the circle. So now let's join these 2 points. So this is the line which is formed by joining. This is the center of the circle C, right? So it means here AB is a chord. Here AC is the radius. How is AC a radius? Because AC is a line which is joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle, right? So this is radius. Again, BC is also radius. How it is a radius? Because BC is a line segment which is joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So here, as you can see, our line AB is made up of 2 radius. AB is made up of 2 radius. As we already know, what is the formula of 2R? 2 radius is equal to diameter. It means our AB is diameter. Also, we have already listened that AB is the longest chord of the circle. So, students always remember the longest chord of a circle is always its diameter. The diameter is called the longest chord of a circle. So now in our question we need to find the length of the longest chord. It means we need to find the length of the diameter only because diameter is the longest chord. So what is the formula to find the diameter? Diameter is equal to, as we already know, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. So in our question, we are given the radius 7 cm. So the diameter will be 2 multiplied by 7 cm, which is 14 cm. So the length of the longest chord, is equal to 14 cm because the longest chord of a circle is always its diameter. Now let's start with the question number 3. Question number 3 is, draw a circle first of all and mark 2 points in exterior, interior and on the circle. First of all, let's draw a circle. I have drawn a circle over here. The next step is they are asking to draw or mark 2 points. I need to mark 2 points which is in the exterior of circle. So what do you mean by exterior? Exterior means outside of the circle. It means I need to mark 2 points outside of the circle. This is the circle. This is called the inside of the circle and this is called the outside of the circle. So now I need to mark points exterior of circle. Let's say I have taken point A over here and point B over here. As you can see, both A and B are outside of the circle. It means these points are called exterior of the circle. So the answer of point A part is point A and B. The next part is in the interior. So what do you mean by interior? Interior means inside of a circle. Now I need to mark 2 points which are inside the circle. So this is the inside of circle. Let's say I have marked point P over here and point Q over here. So both these points are called the points interior of a circle. So the answer of the B part will be point P and Q. The next part is on the circle. Now I need to mark 2 points which are on the circle. On the circle means on the boundary of the circle. So let's say I have taken one point here, mark this point as M, and I have taken one point over here, mark this point at N. So on the circle, which points are on the circle? The answer will be point M and point N.